So, I unlocked Android Auto's secret menu, and honestly, I'm not going back. If you want quick wins for a cleaner, smarter drive, here's the move. Step 1. On your phone, open Android Auto settings. Scroll to the bottom, find version, and tap it about 10 times. You'll see a toast pop up. Boom, developer settings unlocked. Now tap the 3 dots, hit developer settings. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Quick win number 1, wireless projection. If your phone and car both support wireless Android Auto, this toggle makes it easy to confirm and keep it on. No more cable hunt, just hop in and it connects. Quick win number 2, forced day or night mode. I set night mode full time for a low glare map and calmer colors, especially on long drives. You can also force day mode if your tint makes screens too dim. Quick win number 3, higher resolution output. If you see a video resolution option or 1080p option, enable it for sharper maps and crisp album art, only if your head unit handles it smoothly. If things lag, drop it back. Quick win number 4, customize density. Some builds offer UI scaling or small display tweaks. Dial it to fit more info on screen without crowding. Perfect for split-screen nav and music. Quick win number 5, unknown sources. This one's for tinkerers, letting third-party apps appear. Non-Play Store Android Auto apps appear. If you don't know exactly what you're installing, skip it. Bonus tips outside the secret menu. In the regular Android Auto settings, customize your launcher. Hide apps you never use and drag your top 3 to the top row. Turn on Start Music automatically so your go-to playlist kicks in the moment you shift into Drive. And enable weather on the status bar. It's tiny, but super handy. If anything gets weird, go back to developer settings and reset to defaults, or toggle off your last change. Worst case, disconnect, forget the car, and repair.